What's up, everybody? I know it's late, um, but I wanted to do this video so I don't get behind on my daily recap videos. So, of course, today was FOMC, and so normally on these days, the market is very volatile until the actual report comes out. So, I intended to live trade today, but I didn't due to the fact that the report was coming out, and I didn't want to waste time just being on live watching a volatile stock that we couldn't trade. So I posted this morning that I was going to take the morning off. Today is FOMC, probably not a good day to trade. It's normally volatile until the report comes out, so I'm taking the day off. However, with that being said, lesson of the day is do not um, do not go in with a predetermined notion of what's going to happen on any given trading day. Let's wake up with on our minds, okay, let's see if we can find our edge today and maybe take a trade. No matter what report is coming out, no matter what events are going on, what catalysts are going on, let's wake up and let's look at the chart and see what the chart is going to give us that day without having any kind of notions of what we assume is going to happen because of past events. Although in the past this has been happening with the FOMC days, okay, today is a new day. So I'm sure a lot of people missed out on money today. I actually laid in the bed and was watching the chart, and I was like, oh crap, like we super green today. So I posted the levels as I normally do. Needs to break above 299.67 for calls, below 298.45 for puts. So I try to alert the levels because that way when I get into a trade, once the levels break, you can also get into the trade at that time because you have the levels. Otherwise, you're waiting for the levels to break and then someone to alert you to enter the trade, and that's not how it should be. You should already have the levels marked on your chart as well, so you may enter the trade. And the way I got the levels was just by simply plotting the morning high and the morning low. That was it. So it's nothing fancy that I've done. It's nothing that any technical guru needs to know. The average trader can do that. When the market opens, that first candle low, just mark a line. The first candle high, just mark a line. Take the break above or the break below, as long as the level holds. So once the candles begin to come above this level and hold, that's when you enter the market. So right here the candle was, well, I guess I can go down to maybe the 3-minute. Because normally when market opens, I will have on the 2-minute or the 1-minute chart, so I can see, especially on a gap up day like today, because the stock is already charged when there's a gap up. So to see if the gap will continue to run, I will go to the 1-minute or the 2-minute chart. So in this case, here's the high of the day, here's the low of the day, and once we break above this level and hold is when you will enter the position. And so I posted the level, laying in the bed, screenshotting on my phone because I was not intending to trade. And so, like 2 seconds later, I changed my time frame to 3 minutes, and I typed in broke out, scalping the 305 call. And scalping, I'm getting in and right back out, and I'm letting them know, do not chase, wait for a retest. Also, always wait for a retest so you can get a cheaper price, because the majority of the time a stock will retest, which it did. It pulled up here, and I'm sure it's probably a fib level. Let's see. So yes, so 786 level right here, and then it came back and retested 382 level. And then once it retested this 382 level, that's when it continued on higher. So the 382 is the most bullish pattern for a continuation pattern that I've seen. The 786 level to me is bullish, a very great entry point. A lot of people enter on the 50% retracement. I guess it's a personal preference. For me, I love the 786 level. So whether it's for a reversal to take a put or whether it's for a entry to take a call, it has been a great level to trade. So anyway, today I only alerted, and when I alert, it's like an idea basically. So I alerted, I'm scalping the 305, and I think I got in at 71 cents. And if I had have waited on the pullback, I could have got in at a cheaper price myself. But I didn't wait on a cheaper price, so I didn't wait on the pullback to get in at a lower price. But I made that trade, took the scalp. I think I got out at 91 cents. And when I woke up from my nap, because I got up, scalped, and went back to bed. So it was 12:30, and they were like $1.33. And so the return on that trade alone, because when I alerted, or when any person alerts something, it's up to you when you enter, it's up to you when you exit. So just because someone alerts something, you can wait for a pullback, you can wait for a better entry, and you need to look at your chart and make sure that what they are seeing, you are seeing the same exact analysis of that stock at that time. And so that was a 87% return. And then so later on, I checked and they were like, it's 229. So less than another day. It's not about the alerts. It's not about the strategy. It's a psychology video. Don't be biased on the day because of an event. Don't be biased because of news. Don't be biased because of what someone tells you. Don't be biased because of what happened the last time something happened on a particular day or event. Because today, that contract actually ran to $3.50 up here. So it never broke structure today. So from open and to close, it never broke below the moving average. So even though I had, I think I had 15 contracts, even though I had 15 contracts, as the market moved, there were still, entry levels like right here. Every time the price pulled back, it was an entry point to where you could have gotten at a cheaper price. And so here was the high, 308. This was like a $4 move. Well, no, shoot, that was a $7 move in less than 15 minutes. So no biases. Let's just wake up with the positive intentions of just waiting for our edge, waiting for our pattern that we like to trade to show up, whether you trade supply and demand, whether you trade the fibs, whether you trade the crossovers, the VWAP, whatever you trade. Just wake up every day with the intentions to, okay, let me see if the market will show me an opportunity today. So I hope everyone had a green day today on whatever stock that you may have traded, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great night. Bye.